As black men, growing long, healthy hair can feel like an uphill battle. The unique structure of our hair, whether it's coily, kinky, or curly, can sometimes feel super slow to grow and almost impossible to deal with. But here's the thing, it really doesn't have to be. It's not impossible to grow long, thriving hair, and believe it or not, it's actually not that hard. You just need the right approach and the right products. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 hair products that will actually help you to grow long, healthy hair fast. Have you ever wondered why your hair won't grow past a certain length? Or maybe your hair is growing, but it's just taking forever. Well, it really comes down to moisture. You see, the biggest challenge we face is moisture. Black hair tends to be drier because of its coiled texture, which makes it super hard for our scalp's natural oils to travel down the shaft of our hair. Unlike people with straighter hair textures whose hair lays flat, making it easy for the oil to travel throughout the entire length of their follicles, our hair literally has twists and turns. Then on top of all of that, it literally stands straight up, defying gravity. Bruh. So without enough moisture, our hair becomes brittle and more prone to breakage, stunting our growth and leaving us feeling like our hair isn't growing at all. This is why it's crucial to use products that's specifically designed to lock in moisture and nourish your hair from the inside out. So it's super important to moisturize and hydrate, and to do it often. And the products that I have for you will do exactly that. Product number 1, Wild Growth Hair Oil. This oil is designed specifically to address the moisture needs of dry hair. Jammed packed with natural ingredients like olive oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil, it nourishes your scalp and promotes hair growth from the roots. These oils mimic your scalp's natural oils, which helps you to keep your hair moisturized from the roots all the way to the ends. To use it, simply apply a few drops onto your scalp. This not only moisturizes, but also increases blood flow to your hair follicles, promoting faster hair growth. For black men, this type of scalp care is crucial because a healthy scalp equals healthy long hair. So if you're struggling with your hair growth or your hair is thinning, adding this oil to your routine can be a game changer for you. Just be careful because apparently there's a lot of fakes out there. But I'll leave a link to where you can get a 100% authentic bottle in the description below. Product number 2, Curl Destiny's Icing on a Curl. Another huge issue for black men when it comes to hair growth is the constant battle with breakage. Our hair is naturally more fragile because of its curl pattern, which makes it more easy to damage if not properly moisturized. This is where leave-in conditioners become essential. They provide 24-hour long-lasting hydration, keeping your hair soft and moisturized, reducing breakage and helping you to retain your hair length. Which is huge because I don't know about you, but me and shrinkage been beefing for years. Oh! One of the best leave-in conditioners for black men is Curl Destiny's Icing on a Curl. This product works wonders for keeping your hair hydrated throughout the day. It contains natural ingredients like aloe vera and marshmallow root, which delivers moisture directly to your hair strands, helping you to soften and detangle your hair. And the best part is it has a short ingredients list. This is crucial when it comes to hair products because many products on the market are full of silicones and sulfates that strip your hair of its natural moistures, leading to breakage and slowed growth. But with Curl Destiny, you're getting pure natural hydration that works with your hair, not against it. I think we all can agree that this looks a heck of a lot better than this. Like, what is even that? Using a high quality natural leave-in like this one is crucial for black men because it keeps your hair moisturized, manageable, and less prone to breakage. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can grab it. The more moisture you can lock into your hair, the faster and healthier it will grow. Next, product number 3, SheaMoisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydrating Shampoo. A common mistake many of us make is using shampoo that is too harsh and stripping. As black men, it's important to choose a shampoo that cleanses without stripping away moisture. This is key to maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. A great option is SheaMoisture's Manuka Honey Intensive Hydrating Shampoo. This shampoo is specifically designed to hydrate while cleansing. Thanks to its Manuka honey and Mafura oil base, these natural ingredients work to lock in moisture while removing dirt and buildup from your scalp and hair. Manuka honey is known for its ability to retain moisture, which is critical for afro hair because it's already prone to dryness. Now hear me out, I don't love SheaMoisture by any means, and not a lot of their products are the best, but they really did something with their Manuka honey line. This shampoo cleans your hair while hydrating it, and for black men struggling with short hair growth, a shampoo that hydrates instead of strips is essential. By switching over to this, you'll give your scalp and hair an ideal environment to where it can thrive in. So do yourself and your hair a favor, scroll down and check it out. Product number 4. Alikay Natural Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. If you're serious about tackling the struggles of hair growth, deep conditioning should be a non-negotiable part of your routine. Since our hair is naturally more fragile, it needs extra nourishment to stay strong and grow without breaking. That's where hair mask and deep conditioners come into play. They provide an intensive boost of moisture and strengthen your hair from within. One of the best products for this is Alikay Natural's Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. What makes this product stand out from the rest is its focus on natural high-quality ingredients like honey, which act as a humectant to draw moisture into your hair, and sage, which improves scalp health. The more hydrated and healthy your scalp and hair are, the better your growth results will be. Deep conditioning once every 2 weeks with a product like this can make a world of difference for black men struggling with hair growth. Deep conditioning is like giving your hair a hydration and nutrition boost. It dramatically nourishes your hair and leaves it feeling soft, making it more manageable. Deep conditioning is simple. After washing your hair on a wash day, you simply apply a generous amount of deep conditioner into your wet hair. Then gently work the product through your hair with your fingers or a wide tooth comb, making sure it's evenly distributed. After that, cover your hair with a processing cap to lock in moisture and let the conditioner sit for around 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, rinse it out with cold water to seal in the moisture, and boom, you're done. By adding this deep conditioner into your hair growth routine, you'll be able to keep your hair in a healthy, nourished state at all times. I've left a link to where you can grab this amazing deep conditioner for yourself in the description below. Lastly, product 5, Biotin hair supplements. Another struggle many black men face when it comes to hair growth is maintaining healthy hair from within. Sometimes even the best hair products aren't enough if you're not getting the right amount of nutrients. That's where supplements make a huge difference. One supplement that's been proven to promote faster, healthier hair growth is Nature Bounty's Biotin pills. Biotin is essential for hair growth because it supports the structure of keratin, which is the protein your scalp needs to make long, healthy hair. Many black men suffer from hair thinning or slowed growth due to a lack of nutrients in their diet, and biotin helps to fill that gap. Now, there's plenty of biotin pills and hair growth pills out there, but the reason I chose this one specifically is because of its short ingredients list. No nonsense, no ridiculous ingredients, just pure, high-quality biotin without any unnecessary additives. If taken consistently, this supplement will help strengthen and grow your hair from the inside. You can find this product at your local Walmart. I've linked it below. But by incorporating these hair growth products into your routine, you'll see real progress in your hair's health and length. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful at all, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can continue to see our videos and get your weekly dose of betterness. And if you super enjoyed the video, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip, and it directly helps out the channel. And remember, with every one of our videos you watch, you take one step closer to becoming an even better version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay smooth like butter.